video I'm going to show you how you can connect your mobile to the PC and show your mobile screen directly in your Windows or laptop. Let's start. First you need to go to your settings, click on your start button and go to the settings. Here you will see the projecting to the PC. Click on your projecting to the PC. And now you can see that it is the gray out first. You cannot select it anything. You cannot change it. So what you need to do, you go to optional features and here add your features, add wireless display and install it and wait until it's finished. Few more minutes, it's about to finish. Okay, it's installed. So now go back and now you can see that you can select the options now. So from here some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's okay. Say here select it always available everywhere. Now launch the Connect app to project to this PC and it will open this screen. Here I get some error like this device might have trouble displaying your content because its hardware was not specially designed for wireless projections. Let's check my system support the Mirracast or not. Step number 4, you go to the search icon and search CMD command prompt. When you open the command prompt, you write here net sh wlan so driver. Okay, and press enter. Here you can see that wireless display supported S, graphic driver S, Wi-Fi S, which means that my system supports the Mirracast. And the other way to check is press your window icon from the keyboard and press R. And here you write DXDIAG. Yeah, it will open the direct gas diagnosis tools, which will diagnose your system's information. Wait until it finishes and save all information. Save on the disk first. Okay. Once you save in the notepad, you go to your desktop and open DXDIG. And here you see the Mirracast. Mirracast available with HDCP. So which proves that your system supports the Mirracast. Now let's go further. So you have checked that your system supports the Mirracast. Now we need to do some settings. First, make sure that you connected your device into the same Wi-Fi. So check here, and my Wi-Fi is connected in this name, and on my other devices where I want to do Mirracast, my device is connected on the same Wi-Fi. First, and then once again go to the control panel. Yeah, go to control panels and go to network and internet. Go to network sharing and here change advanced sharing settings. Here open the privacies and turn on the both settings and make it save changes. I already have turned on both ones, so my save changes is not active. If your one is not turned on, make sure you turn it on first and then make save changes. I close this one. And the second is Go to your device manager and go to network adapter and choose your adapter, the network adapter, like a network connection, and right click on it and update driver. Browse my computer, click here, let me pick from the list of available driver. Click this one and check next and then install it. Close it and update the wireless driver as well. Next. Okay, after it install, close it, close both windows. Now restart your computer. Now open the start buttons and then search for connect and open your connect app. Now you need to go to your mobile. You scroll down your mobile device and you look for the screencast. When you click on the screencast, you will see the available devices here, and click on your available devices where you want to connect your device and do the Mirracast. Now I have connected my mobile device to the desktop, and you can see that it is connected now. And here. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.